Today, I will discuss the benefits of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. First is, what is multimedia? Multimedia is a form of communication that combines different content forms such as text, audio, images, animations, or video into a single interactive presentation. And what are the benefits of multimedia in 21st century? One of the reasons why multimedia is necessary tool in learning 21st century is the flexibility in using various media to live. Multimedia give both teachers and students comprehensive access to educational resources that may help in understanding and 21st century pieces. It sparks creativity in both educators and learners. It makes learning extend beyond the walls of a classroom. Through multimedia, students can learn more about the world without having to travel so far. It engages the students in becoming more participative in class. It improves the students' problem solving and communication skill. Multimedia content helps to vary and enhance the learning process and leads to better knowledge. Multimedia can serve to shape the social context in which literary works can be. Second one is, what is ICT? Information and Communication Technologies is a broader term for information technology, which refers to all communication technologies, including the internet, wireless networks, cell phones, computers, software, middleware, video conferencing, social networking, and other media application and services. And what are the benefits of ICT in 21st century? Enhance the mode of communication, cost efficient, better teacher and learning methods, automatic solution to manual paper-based process and procedures, enable economics growth by broadening the reach of technology. And knowing the importance of multimedia and ICT in 21st century. It can help us to improve our online content to be more creative and useful. Thank you.